Yeah, I mean, I think leaning on technology again there is so important. And if you're able to, there are ways to do things in a way that's really scrappy and, can save you a ton of money. You don't have to launch a learning management system or LMS like day one when you're an
Mhm.
emerging franchisee. It's just not necessary, right? But thinking about when and if we're big enough to have a learning management system, what's the training paths we would put them on? Let's
Mhm.
put them all in folders and make sure that like the real estate folder in my Google Drive is really organized and it's got everything that they need, and
Yeah.
we're going to do video calls and we're going to have a schedule and we're going to have a spreadsheet that tracks all of it. But that when you're ready to switch that over, you've kind of worked out exactly what it'll look like. So the building of the LMS is so much easier. It's more cost efficient because you've already built the system. It just lived in a simpler place. And now you're up leveling and kind of building out a really cool LMS tool. I tell ops people all the time, like AI video and making yourself an avatar and delivering information where, whether it be a Loom video where you're walking them through whatever it is, whatever tool they have to learn, but also just delivering mass messages. Like, don't make everything a novel of an email. Like, send a video for a change. Guess what? It might be viewed more than your massive email, and there's a way to track it differently. So,
Mhm. Yeah.
um, there's so much in operations where delivering the information, validating that it's been seen, read, understood, um, and then making sure that then it's been implemented in some way. That's really been the key for me. And I can tell you when I was in kind of the franchisee seat and in the operations view, we were just surviving the day, right? Like at the end of the day, like you're serving the food, you're taking care of the customers, like
Yeah.
that marketing promotion that you think is really, really cool. Like we're just trying to survive.